Welcome back to virtual reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Look what I got. This is the Vive Cosmos Elite. I got this full package from HTC to test it. So in this video you will see an unboxing and also the tracking test of the new Vive Cosmos Elite faceplate. Everything else I already showed you in my Vive Cosmos review that you can find in the description below, like display, comfort and all this stuff. This didn't change, of course. This video is only about unboxing and the tracking. We will see now how this works. Yeah, you can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Opperman Events, Andy DeFelser, VR Ambassador and Alpha Blend Interactive. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay, let's do a quick unboxing. I already unboxed the Vive Cosmos, the non-elite version, so you can also check this out. But I want to show you what's inside this package. So here it says Vive Cosmos Elite, and you can see the front plate already here with the Lighthouse trackers. And here you can see all the compatible games and also the Vive controllers and the base stations. Finally! So yeah, let's open that. We can open it here. And now, here we go. Oh yes. So that looks very interesting. Normally here's a plate with an redeemable code from Viveport, but I won't show this to you, of course. Here we have a warranty card and some stickers and a quick start guide. And then, number 2 are the 2 base stations. These seem like Lighthouse 1. Very interesting. I mean, isn't that old? Huh? Yeah, it's this one. I will put that here. Okay, and then we have number 3. There is a power adapter. Then we have this is the new breakout box. It's ultra small. I love it. It's so small here. And we have a USB 3 and display port. Also here on the side, don't forget this. This is an adapter for DisplayPort to mini DisplayPort. Awesome. Okay, then let's open this one here. So here we have the 2 power adapters for the base stations. So you only have to connect that to power plug, not to PC, and 2 wall mounts. Look at this, you have the 2 wall mounts, should be in the height of 2 meters so that everything works fine with the tracking. Very nice that they have it here. And then on this other side we have the 2 controllers. You already know them from the old Vive. Here we go. These are the old controllers, the Vive ones. The problem is, this is Lighthouse 1. Normally, if this would be Lighthouse 2, the color would be blue, I'm pretty sure. However, I don't know why they decided to put the old stuff inside here, but however. Then, here under this, we have the 2 power adapters and the 2 micro USB cables to charge the controllers, of course. And then, of course, we have the headset. There's nothing inside here anymore. And here we have the headset. And yeah, you can instantly see the front is totally different. That means we have the Lighthouse plate here. We have the 4 cameras, of course. We can remove it if we like and still use it normal, like without the cover. But here you can see the faceplate for the Lighthouse tracking. Very interesting. It's a little bit tricky to get it back. You have to push that pretty hard like this, and then it looks like before. So really cool. And we also have the flip up design here, like you saw that in my review. And here we have the cable that's going to the small connector box, and the wheel we can adjust the width of the head strap. So I don't want to show you much of this headset because it's totally different than the normal Vive Cosmos. This video is only about the new tracking module, this one. For for all the other stuff, you can watch my review that's in the description below. There you can find that, and then you can see all the display stuff. But this one is only about the tracking. So yeah, let's check out how the tracking really works now. Okay guys, welcome to the tracking test. So for this test, normally I use Rec Room like you see here, because we can stand in front of a mirror and we can see the tracking. So I connected the Vive ones for now, the Vive controllers that come with the Cosmos Elite package. So I hold the controllers now behind my back. Look at this. This is absolutely no problem. With the other tracking, with the camera tracking, this would absolutely not be possible to hold that behind my back for so long time. So really good. It's absolutely perfect, like we would expect that. Also, if you hold it in front of each other, this is also a big problem with the other controllers, with the standard Cosmos controllers or Windows Mixed Reality controllers, or even sometimes with the Rift controllers. For the Rift S and the Quest, the touch controllers. But this here is absolutely perfect. You can play all the games with that. It's no problem because of the Lighthouse Tracking. So you can see that it's absolutely no problem here with the tracking. And yeah, this is the Vive ones. However, guys, it's very important that you have no mirrors in your room. So if you have any mirrors that are reflecting some laser beams or whatever, then it could be a little bit difficult, but that's with all systems. So yeah, the Cosmos Elite finally has perfect tracking. I'm really I'm really happy about this, but let's now check out if we can also connect other controllers. Let's check out the index controllers. Okay guys, and as promised, I connected the index controllers here, and as you can see, that works without any problems. You just have to open SteamVR and then connect controller, and then connect your index controllers, or whatever. You can connect all Lighthouse system parts, like the Vive trackers for full body tracking, or anything else that's compatible with the Lighthouse tracking now, and that's really good. So we can now use everything like with the Valve Index, with very high precision here, like this. And we can also use all the weapons here with 2 hands with perfect tracking. This is absolutely perfect. We can pull this stuff here, we can throw the grenades and stuff. That's absolutely like it should be now. So you can play all the games with very high precision now with the Vive Cosmos Elite. No problem. But yeah, now the question is, who should buy it, and is it worth it? Especially when you compare it to the Valve Index. So let's go back to the studio and talk about it. Okay guys, so now we have to check everything out. So this package, the Cosmos Elite, this is not bad. It's not a bad package. It works good. You can play everything very precise with a good quality, comfort and stuff. It's very, very good. But the price. So you have to pay 1,000 euro. 1,000 euro. And when we now check out the Valve Index, you can see this is only 80 bucks more. And then you have the 2 index controllers. Yeah, with the Cosmos Elite, you only get the old base stations and the very old Vive ones, the big bones. And here you get the finger tracking index controllers. That's a huge difference, And the Valve Index, in most parts, it's also better. I mean, the headset, like with a bigger field of view, better comfort, better sound, microphone, the most of that is much better with the Valve Index. And why should I not just spend $80 more and get the Valve Index? Just do that, really, believe me, it's better. However, for the people that are not patient, I mean, you have to wait 8 weeks. Sorry for the German page here. You have to wait 8 weeks until it's available, and the Cosmos Elite is available now. So for the people that absolutely can't wait to have a very good and precise headset, then you can go for the Cosmos Elite, of course. But I would recommend wait for the Valve Index. There is no reason to buy the Cosmos Elite over the Valve Index. But one reason, guys, and this is this thing here, the Vive wireless adapter. So the Vive Cosmos Elite can be wireless for an additional 345 euro. So you will pay 1,345 euro, and then you have the best wireless headset. So with the controllers and all the stuff, the perfect tracking, it's really good for people that really hate cable. So when I think about which wireless set is better, I don't think there is one. So the Vive Cosmos Elite is a really good headset, and it can be wireless. So this is the only reason why you should buy the Cosmos Elite, in my opinion. So guys, I hope that was interesting for you. I hope I told you everything. If you have any questions, write it in the comments below. I try to answer that. And yeah, if you want to support me, what really would be awesome, go on Twitch Prime, go on Amazon, buy your stuff via my Amazon link, or even support me via Patreon or YouTube membership. That would be so awesome, because you know, all the studios, everything is so expensive to have 2 different apartments for doing this stuff here. And yeah, however, if you just want to watch the videos, I would appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. And yeah, see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE